Hi y'all, I'm doing CYU on 2.5, Communication 1 and Communication Question 3. Let's get right into the video. So, describe the similarities and differences between, I don't know why that's there, between the derivatives of y equals 1 over x squared plus 1 and y equals x over x squared plus 1. Okay, so the similarities, we'll use black for this. We'll use similarities as S, would be the denominator. So we'll put denominator. We'll do short. And we'll put bracket x squared plus 1. Okay. Another similarity is it's a rational function. We'll put rational. Another similarity we see, it requires the quotient rule. We'll put it for QR, okay? Let me just erase the Q. We'll put capital. Okay. So that's our similarities. So the differences we see are the numerator. Right here. And another difference is we see it's going to have a different derivative outcome here. Let's do it right here. So for this one, we'll do y derivative equals, let's make the line a little bit right here, 0 x2 plus 1 minus 2x 1. So everything's gonna be timed by 0 here, so there's gonna be minus 2x. Oh, I forgot to put x squared plus 1 derivative. Okay, so this is gonna equals like negative 2x over x squared plus 1. Alright, so now we'll do the derivative for this. Y derivative equals x equals 1, x squared plus 1 minus derivative of that would be 2x over x squared plus 1. This would be x squared plus 1 minus 2x squared, x squared plus 1 1 minus 2x 1 minus x squared minus x squared. Okay, x squared plus 1. By the way, this just comes with the Google site, so forget about this, okay? This has nothing to do with it, okay? Alright, so we'll highlight it in yellow, our answers, the derivative answers. And then we'll put it back here, negative 2x comma 1 minus x. So the derivative of this would be y equals yes, I know my handwriting's bad, okay? Y equals x squared plus 2 squared plus 1. Okay, now let's get on to the next question. Alright, so the derivative of qx equals fx over gx equals is q derivative x equals f derivative x over g derivative x. Is this statement true or false? Use an example to explain your answer. So It's asking if the derivative of qx equals fx over gx is q derivative of x equals f derivative of x. Right here. So we'll put example right here. This is my example. So let's get that out of the way. That's our example. Now we answer if it's true or false. So this would be false. Why? Because it's the improper use of quotient rule, which is right here. So we'll write false. QR, short for quotient rule. Alright, so now let's show you guys with the example. So we'll do q derivative x equals x plus 1 minus derivative of this would be 1 x3 plus 1. Okay, so 3x, that's going to be 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus x. Wait, did I do something wrong here? No, I didn't. It's supposed to be plus 2. Yes, this is what I did wrong. Plus 2. Okay, let's cancel out the 2's. So this is going to be our answer. This is going to minus the 3x cubed minus x3. So this is going to be 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x over x plus 1. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me just redo that. Now we're gonna do it this way. Q derivative x. And also I'm gonna show this as quotient rule, and I'm gonna show this as the given. So that would be f derivative x, g derivative x. Okay, so we're gonna do, so derivative of this would be 3x. By the way, that's a 2 plus 2, and the derivative of x plus 1 is equals 1 equals 3x plus 2. Now we're gonna highlight it in yellow as the answers. So again, this statement is false because it's the incorrect use of quotient rule. Quotient rule is supposed to be used like this. I'm gonna write it. Quotient rule is gx f derivative x minus fx g derivative x over g and also it doesn't matter which position this goes, it could be g derivative x fx. So that's why this statement says false. Incorrect use of quotient rule, and it gave us 2 different answers. Oh yeah, one thing, I'm gonna just write out how this is formed. Qx equals x plus 1. Don't mind these, they're just artifact of the thing. Don't mind this also, anything, just mind what I wrote. Okay, so that's it for my video, the end. I hope you guys understood. I hope I did good. It's my first video in a while, so please take it easy on me, Miss Slam. You know I love you. Take care.